Now, you can also stream audio from your mobile through the Bluetooth system in this Honda. If you go to your iTunes, now I'm just going to turn this down, but you see at the bottom there, Honda HFT. So if I click on that, when my finger actually works, you see there's a phone, sorry, there's my phone, and then there's a Honda with a tick next to it. So anything that plays from this phone will come through the Bluetooth audio system in the car, if you've got it set right. So now, this is playing. We now go to source, and you see there all the different options. There's auxiliary, it shows auxiliary on the front there, but what we actually want is Bluetooth. So you see the Bluetooth sign there, click on Bluetooth, showing Bluetooth on there, Bluetooth on here. Now if I turn this up, I'm going to control the volume from my phone rather than the audio system in here, so I can turn it on and off quickly so I don't get a copyright strike. But
I'm the bad guy. Duh.
there you go, that's how you stream audio.